Hi Stanislav, thanks very much for the question. I'm able to answer you at the moment because I'm using Starlink while I'm exploring Northern Africa, basically with the appliance industry. There's a whole playlist on this if you're interested at all. I'm just heading down to the Sahara Desert at the moment, and we're about 400 miles away from the Western Sahara border. With your Beko washing machine, now I haven't got the model number up on the screen, but what I have done for you is put a link in the description on this video. My IT guy's with us at the moment, so he's managed to get you all the relevant videos that I'm going to be talking about. Firstly, if your machine is changing the amount of time it is taking to wash on every cycle, you may have one of three problems, or three easy problems. Firstly, is if the machine has got low water pressure going to it, the computer system may be readjusting the amount of time it takes to finish the cycle. That's one. Secondly, if you've got a faulty heating system, therefore the machine would be taking longer to wash the clothes because it's unable to get the water to the correct temperature. And thirdly, would be to do with the emptying system. Now, the emptying system has to empty in an allocated period of time. Now, if the machine is not emptying or not filling in the allocated period of time, you would normally have an error coming up on the display. But due to the fact that the model number that you've given us does not relate to a workshop manual, I'm not exactly sure what the problem is. So I can only guide you into the correct process for checking everything. Feel free to come back to us. Now, I've put a link in the description on this video for you because we're finding it much easier to answer questions for customers while driving, because Burkei can be recording and I can be answering the faults, and he creates the web pages for you. So everything is in the description on this video with regards to the model that you've got. And I'll just quickly show you out through the front. We're basically in the middle of nowhere, but I'm highly impressed with this Moroccan road system. It's been absolutely superb on the main highways, and also on the rural roads they've been quite good as well. We've had a few bumpy roads, but I expect I'll be seeing a lot more of this in the next 400 kilometers as I get closer down to the Western Sahara and Mauritania. Good luck with your repair, and if you need any further assistance, feel free to come back to us. Hi from Morocco.